Okay. Question number 1C. One number C. You can see the question. Two functions of is equal to 1, 2, 3, 5, 4, 1. And next G is equal to 2, 3, 5, 1, 1, 4. Two functions are given in order pair form. Two functions are given in order pair form there. Then show the function f of g, composite function it is, f of g and g o f in an arrow diagram, and also find them in order pair form. It is saying two composite functions are asking. One is f of g, another is g o f. है दुई दुईवटा order pair form मा हामीले composite function निकाल्नु पर्ने छ. You can see the question on the board here. I have written already. Yes, this is the question. Every one of you, function of is given here. Function of is equal to 1, 2, 3, 5, 4, 1, and g is equal to 2, 3, 5, 1, and 1, 4. Two functions are given. These two functions are given in the order pair form. यो दुईटा फंक्शनहरु order pair form मा दिएको छ. Order pair form मा दिएको छ भने हामीले त्यही अनुसार गर्छौं. त्यसपछि algebraic function दिएको छ भने त्यही अनुसार हामीले यसको composite function find गर्न सक्छौं. कन्फ्युजन छैन, राम्रोसँग हेर्ने. अस्ति हामीले गरिसकेका छौं. तो f o g एउटा हामीले निकाल्नु पर्ने छ. f o g को लागि एउटा छुट्टै बनाउने and g o f फेरि g o f को लागि छुट्टै बनाउने. दुई दुईवटा गर्नु पर्ने हुन्छ. We have to make two arrow diagram. Only one single arrow diagram, it doesn't work for this two solutions. दुईटा सल्युसन को लागि एउटैले काम गर्दैन. दुईटा order pair, दुईटा arrow diagram हामीले बनाउनु पर्ने हुन्छ है. ल, so now you can एकदम सजिलो छ, गाह्रो छैन. Now I am going to show here solution. Every one of you, given, we can write here, given function of is equal to, there is order pair from 1, 2, next is 3, 5, next is 4, 1, this is given, and next function g is equal to given there 2, 3, 5, 1, and 1, 4. These are the two functions given in the order pair form. Order pair form मा दुईटा function हामीलाई दिएको छ. Okay, then let's find first of all f o g. पहिला f o g निकालौं. f o g. This means what? Function g is followed by function f. यसको अर्थ हो कि पहिला सुरुमा function g को बनाउने अनि function g लाई चाहिँ f ले फलो गरिरहेछ भनेपछि पहिला function g को बनाउनु पर्यो एरो डायग्राम. त्यसपछि हामीले बल्ल function f को गर्छौं. दुईटा function छ नि त है. f o g भनेको function g is followed by function f. function g लाई f ले फलो गरिरहेको छ भनेपछि पहिला g को बनाइन्छ, त्यसपछि बल्ल f को बनाइन्छ. यो कुरा थाहा छ नानी बाबुले, मैले पहिले पनि सिकाइसकेको छु अघिल्लो स्टेजमा. ल, okay, then now let's find it. Let's show this in let's present this in arrow diagram. Now we have to find f o g is equal to what and g o f is equal to what. For now, for f o g, for composite function f o g presenting in arrow diagram, for function f o g presenting in arrow diagram, presenting in arrow diagram below. पहिला मैले f o g को लागि यसलाई एरो डायग्राममा प्रेजेन्ट गर्न गइरहेको छु. f o g फंक्शनलाई अब दुईटा फंक्शन छ. We have to make two arrow diagram. Two diagram we have to make. The one f o g. First of all, I am going to present the composite function f o g in arrow diagram. f o g लाई मैले एरो डायग्राममा प्रेजेन्ट गर्न गइरहेको छु. Okay. Now you can see f o g. So here I already told you f o g, which functions mapping diagram we have to make at first. कसको अगाडि बनाउने हो? f o g f को बनाउने कि g को बनाउने पहिला सुरुमा?
g को.
हो, g को बनाउने हैन. मैले भनिरहेको छु नि, यो g भन्ने अगाडि छ. फंक्शन g is followed by f. फंक्शन g लाई केले फलो गरिरहेको छ? f ले. फंक्शन g पहिला हुन्छ, त्यसपछि फंक्शन g लाई f ले फलो गरेको छ. So we can say function g is followed by f. So let's do. Now first of all we make the arrow diagram of g. पहिला g को बनाउने है. ल, g को बनाउने. It's like two oval shape diagram we can draw. This is, then your function g, f o g. The g means here what is 2 3 2 3 5 1 1 4. We have to write domain at first. 2 लाग्ने पहिला 2 at 5 and 1 we can write here. 2 5 and 1 we can write here. Next is range is 3 1 4. We can write range here 3 1 and 4 we can write. Now it is 2 is mapping with this 3, 2 is mapping with this 3, 2 चाहिँ 3 सँग mapping छ. 5 is mapping with this 1, 5 1 सँग mapping छ. 1 is mapping with this 4, 1 4. So this is a function g. This is a function g from a to b. अब यो a बाट b होला हैन, यो बुझ्न सकिन्छ. This is a function g from a to b. यो function g चाहिँ के छ, a बाट b को function g हो भनी बुझ्ने. This function g we can write. Up to here I think everybody you are clear. Now again f of g. F of g means we drawn the arrow diagram of the g को mapping diagram त भइसक्यो. Now we have to draw the mapping diagram of f also again for the function f. Again for the function f 1 2 3 5 4 1. The domain of the function of domain is 1 3 4. It is already here. 1 3 4 are already here. नानीहरु थाहा छ नि, हेर त function s मा हेर त s को domain एउटै छ कि छैन. यसको domain हेर त function f को domain हेर त 1 छ 3 छ 4 छ है. यहाँ पनि 1 3 4 सबै सेम भयो कि नै. यदि कमन भएन भने हामीले त्यसको म्यापिङ डायग्राम कम्पोजिट फंक्सन निकाल्न अलि गाह्रो हुन्छ, किनभने यहाँनिर यो फंक्सन g छ. पहिला फंक्सन g को रेन्ज, यो के हो, फंक्सन g को रेन्ज हो भने अर्को फंक्सन f को डोमेन पनि के हुन्छ, डोमेन अफ फंक्सन f एन्ड रेन्ज अफ फंक्सन g दे मस्ट बी कमन. किन के हुनुपर्छ, कमन हुनुपर्छ, बल्ल हामीलाई सजिलो हुन्छ. ल अब त्यसले यसको डोमेन त सेम छ, 1 3 4 त सेम छ, 1 3 4 यसको रेन्ज सँग सेम छ. त्यसले गर्दाखेरि यो ड्रा गर्न पर्दैन, जस्ट ओन्ली वन वी क्यान ड्रा हियर लास्ट वी फर द रेन्ज अफ फंक्सन f. अब हेर त फंक्सन f को हेर त डोमेन त 1 3 4 त यही छ नि त. हेर किन ड्रा गर्न डबल 1 3 4 तल माथि भएर केही हुन्न है, तल माथि भएर केही हुँदैन. You draw this nicely. Okay, now for the range only you can write, for the function f you can write range only 2 5 and 1. Here you can write 2 2 is with 1, so we can write 2 here, no problem. You can write 2. Next is 5 and 1, like this. Every one of you, I think you are understanding. 1 3 4 domain of the function f is same equal to the range of the function g. G को रेन्ज सँग फंक्शन f को डोमेन के छ, इक्वल छ. त्यसले गर्दा त्यसलाई ड्रा गर्न परेन डबल. जस्ट we have to draw the, we have to write the range of the function. यहाँ यसको फंक्शन को रेन्ज मात्र लेख्दै हुन्छ, लास्ट को जुन फंक्शन हुन्छ त्यसको रेन्ज मात्र लेख्दै हुन्छ. अब यसको रेन्ज दियो 2 5 1. अब हेर त यहाँ 1 2 हो, 1 is mapping with 2, so 1 is mapping with this 2, it will be this like, and 3 is mapping with this 5, 3 is mapping with this 5, this like we can draw, and 4 is mapping with this 1, 4 is mapping with this 1, this like we can draw. This is the composite function. And some of the students you might be confused here, if this like it is not straight, sir यो यसको सीधा सीधा छैन सर, तल माथि भयो भन्ने कुरा आउँछ भने, if you are confusing, then very easily you can do this. You can arrange it, arrange गर्न सकिन्छ मजाले. यो 5 लाई माथि लेखेर 3 को 5 छ है, यो 5 लाई माथि पट्टि लेख्दिएर यो 2 लाई तल लेख्दा पनि हुन्छ, मिलाउन त पाइयो मजाले है. यहाँ यो 5 लाई माथि सिधा 3 सँग 5 भनेपछि ए सिधै सिधै गराउँछु भन्ने भने यो 5 लाई यसो गराएर यो 5 लाई माथि लेख्न सकियो. This 5 can be written upside, 3 can be written downside, 1 is already same, 1 त पहिले ठीक छ. यसरी नै यसलाई मिलाएर लेख्न पनि सकिन्छ. You can write by arranging. यदि कसरी राम्रो देखिन्छ त्यसरी राम्रो गराउँदा हुन्छ. So here 3 is mapping with this 5, this like you can write, and this 1 is mapping with this 3 1 3, this like you can write 1 3 or 1 2. Here is 2, okay, not 3, here is 2. Now 3 5, this like 1 2 and 4 this like straightly you can show. यसरी straightly देखाउन पनि सकिन्छ है. ल finish this composite function is finished. Now this we have to write in the order pair form. This function your g is followed by f. So this is f o g, we are, this is f o g. We have, you are clear already, you are made clear in the definition of मैले क्लियर बनाएको. तपाईलाई के लेख्न सकिन्छ, यो फंक्शन, this function f function g is followed by function f. So this is the function f o g, composite function f o g. हेर त, when you put 2 in the composite function, your output comes 5. When your input is 5, then your output is 2. When you put 1 in the domain, then your range comes 1. Like this we can understand. So finally you can show this like also. यसरी देखाउन सकिन्छ है. When you put here 1, then output also 1 comes. So this like you can show this like here. यसरी देखाउन सकिन्छ यसलाई. And 5 with 2, 5 comma 2. So this like we can show. And next is 2. This like you can. So this is the composite function. You can write F O G. This you can write F O G. This is the answer. So in the function F O G, in function F O G, when you do input 2, जब 2 input गर्छौ output के आउँछ त 5 आउँछ. यसरी बुझ्न पर्यो के. जब 2 राख्छौ output 3 आउँछ. फंक्शन G मा 2 राख्यो भने 3, फेरि यो 3 लाई गएर फंक्शन F मा राख्यो भने 5 आउँछ. That is F O G of the function. In the function F O G, if you do input 2, then your output comes 5. If you put here 5, then your output comes 5. 2. In this way you can understand. So you can write in order pair form. Order pair ma lekhne. Find them in order pair form. Order pair ma lekh deu. So we can write order pair. Therefore, composite function F O G is equal to, you can write in the answer, write the answer in order pair form. 2 with 5, 2 comma 5. This like you can write. When you input 5 in the composite function F O G, then your output comes here 2. That is 5 comma 2. And next is 1 comma 1. So this is your answer. Look, this is the answer. The function F O G is answer can only this much. यसरी पनि हामीले निकाल्न सक्छौं. If you do have confusion, then ask. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All of you. If you do have some confusion, then tell me. कसैले के confusion छ भने भन्ने है. Okay. Need to say again. यस्तै भन्न सकिन्छ. GeoF similarly, can you find or not? अर्को GeoF फेरि तिमीले आफै find out गर्न सक्छौ कि सक्दैनौ?
सकिन्छ सर.
ल, you can do it yourself. अब आफै गर्न सक्छ. GeoF लागि यही त हो नि? यही त हो. GeoF for the function GeoF. Function F, it is here. Next is GeoF is saying the function GeoF here. This means function F is followed by G. Function F is followed by G. First of all, you have to make the diagram of F. पहिला सुरुमा F को डायग्राम बनाउने, त्यसपछि G को यहाँ पछाडिपट्टि बन्ने यस्तै हुन्छ. त्यसपछि आन्सर लेख्नु लास्टमा order pair form. Two question asking together. But in the examination, either ask F O G or ask GeoF, anyone only. एउटा मात्र दिन्छ exam मा. दुईटा यो 2 marks 4 marks को question मा. है ल. Okay, then let's go ahead. Allah, anybody, if you have confusion, then tell me. कसैलाई केही छ भने भन्ने. Now again I am going to share the next question to you. Okay. Now you can see next question. Up to one number A, B, C we completed. One A, B, C already became. I have provided you some extra question also there in your group messenger. I have sent there. Question number 2 now. In the question number 2 onwards, question number 2 देखि माथि हेर्दा 2 number onwards, there are given the composite function of the algebraic function. Algebraic function को composite function दिएको छ हामीलाई. यहाँनिर त माथि चाहिँ अर्डर पेयरको फर्ममा दिएको थियो. अर्डर पेयरको फर्ममा दिएको त्यसलाई हामीले चाहिँ डायग्राम बनाएर त्यसको कम्पोजिट फंक्शन निकाल्न भनेको थियो माथि क्वेशन नम्बर 1 एबीसी मा. अब 2 नम्बरमा के भन्दै छ भने फंक्शन चाहिँ अल्जेब्रिक फंक्शन दिएको छ, लिनियर अल्जेब्रिक फंक्शन दिएको छ. त्यसलाई हामी के गर्ने, कम्पोजिट फंक्शन कसरी निकाल्ने. अब त्यसमा चाहिँ भ्यालु रिप्लेस गर्ने त हो नि. If one function is substituted in another function, then we get a combined function. That combined function is called the composite function. त्यही त हो के combined function गरे दुई वा दुई भन्दा बढी फंक्शनलाई कम्बाइन गर्यो भने आएको फंक्शन के हुन्छ, कम्पोजिट फंक्शन हुन्छ. त्यही त हो कि ठुलो कुरो भरे यसमा. ल अब यसमा हामीले के गर्छौं, हेर त फंक्शन fx दिएको छ 2x + 1, फंक्शन gx 3x - 5 गिवन. GOF1 भनेको छ. पहिला फंक्शन f मा 1 पुट गर्ने, त्यसपछि आएको भ्यालु फेरि g मा पुट गर्ने भनेको. ल इजिली यु क्यान डु. I write your question on the board, then after I will do one example, one question for example, then after other all questions you can do it. Everybody look at the question. Okay, so I am going to copy the question on the board. Question number 2. Question number 2. Question number 2. Okay, so there is saying if given that function fx is equal to x + 1, given that function f of x equal to 2x plus 1. The next function gx equal 3x minus 5, gx equal 3x minus 5, gx equal to 3x minus 5, and find the value of the following. Find the value of the following. First number question I do here. First number is GOE of 1. First A number GOE of 1. This is. Then I would like to do the next question also. But last number E of number. Last E of number question. There is GOG of 4. GOG of. Here O means no need to confuse. There O means operator. O भनेको operator हो. त्यसमा confuse हुन जरुरी छैन है. Now you can see on the board. Now you can see here on the board. Question is already written. Okay. Now, dear students, our first number question is. There is saying GO of and here is 1. What do you mean by this? You भनेको अर्थ के हो बुझ्नु पर्ने हुन्छ. When this GOF is the composite function of is followed by G. Of लाई के follow गरिरहेको G ले follow गरिरहेको छ. त्यसो भए तिमीले के गर्न पर्यो त यहाँनिर GOE of 1 भने के भनेको यसको अर्थ के हो? What do you mean by this? First of all, when you input 1 in the function GOF, जब हामीले composite function GOF मा 1 input गर्छौं त्यसपछि त्यसको आउटपुट के दिन्छ त? त्यसको आउटपुट के आउँछ त्यो फाइन्ड गर्न भनेको छ. So everyone, first of all, what do? You put this f of 1 means what? इसको अर्थ के हो त? You have to put x1 in place of function. You have to put x equal to 1 in the function f. Function f मा गएर x को ठाउँमा 1 पुट गर भनेको त हो नि. यसको मतलब के हो भने function f मा जाने त्यसले जहाँनेर x छ x भेरिएबल छ त्यसको ठाउँमा के पुट गर्ने 1 पुट गर्ने भनेको त्यही काम गरौँला. हेर्नु त है. अब यसमा g is same, no need to do anything. g लाई यस्तै राख्दिने. अब यो function f मा गएर in the function f where is x in place of x you have to put 1. x को ठाउँमा के गरे त 1 पुट गर्ने भन्न खोजेको. Now look it here. I do here solution. So this is GO of 1. Okay, equal to G. No need to do anything. G लाई पहिला केही गर्न पर्दैन. At first G no need to do anything. Just you look it here. Now this O means operator, leave it. No need to write. Operator लेख्न आवश्यक छैन. O लेख्न आवश्यक छैन. Function you go in the function of. And where is the x? In place of x, you substitute 1. X of के गर त 1 substitute गर. In function of where it is? Function of is equal to what is there? Look upside. Function of is equal to what is 2x plus 1. So in place of this x, you have to put 1. Your x of के राख्ने 1 राख्ने. Function of is equal to we have O operator this no need to write. O लेख्न जरुरी छैन. Of x equal to what is 2x plus 1. The 2 is there same. There is multiply sign. In place of this x, you have to put 1. X of कति put गर्ने 1 put गर्ने. So you can put here 1. And there is plus 1 is same this time we can. यही हो. के गरियो र? Function f मा जाने. Function f मा जा x छ. x को ठाउँमा के राख्ने? यही जति छ त्यो राख्ने. 1 छ भने 1 put गर्ने, 2 छ भने 2 put गर्ने. So here is f x equal to x plus 1. Here 2 is same as it is. In middle there is multiply sign. Multiple we can write. X equal to we can put 1 substitute here, then plus 1 is as it is 2x plus 1 हो 2x plus 1 मा x को ठाउँमा हामीले के पुट गरेका छौं 1 पुट गरेका छौं. Like this we are going to start. Now after this equal to g same, keep this same. Now this simplify 2 1 the 2 plus 1 that is g of 2 plus 1 कति आयो 3. Now again it is very easy. फेरि पनि सजिलो छ. यसको अर्थ के हो त? You go in the function g. And where is the x? In place of this x, you substitute 3. X जहाँ छ x को ठाउँमा के गर 3 substitute गर भन्न खोजेको. But now again go in the function g where it is you see upside. Function g is equal what is there? Gx equal 3x minus 5. This function use it here. In place of x you have to put how many? 3. यो x को ठाउँमा के गर्ने 3x minus 5 we had. So g no need to add g लाई हटाइदिए हुन्छ. G को ठाउँमा के लेख्ने 3x minus 5 3 and in middle there is x, the multiply sign. In place of this x, you can put how many? 3. 3 we can put, and a minus 5 we have, minus 5. This is equal to 3, 3 is 9. 9 minus 5, that is 4 answers. 4 answer. Like this we can find. This is the answer. Very easily you can find. कति सजिलो छ है, गाह्रो छैन नि, केही गर्न परेन. G(O)(F)(1) पहिला फंक्सन यफ मा जाने अनि यफ को फंक्सन मा x को ठाउँमा 1 पुट गर्दिने. यो g लाई यस्तै राख्दिने, g लाई यस्तै राख्ने है. g we can put same. अपरेटर o यो लेखिरहनु जरुरी छैन, यो नलेखे हुन्छ. o अपरेटर you can leave it. फंक्सन यफ भनेको यहाँ चाहिँ 2x + 1, यहाँ 2x x is equal to 1, you can put 2 into 1 and plus 1 is there, plus 1 we can put here. g of यो कति आउँछ? 3 आउँछ. फेरि g मा गएर 3 राख्दिने. फंक्सन g भनेको कहाँ छ चेक गर. फंक्सन g equal to 3x - 5. So this is 3 same. In place of x we can substitute 3. So 3 into 3 minus 5, 9 minus 5, 4 answer. Like this we can do it. I think everybody you are clear. Now similarly next one, yf number solution you can do in the same way. यसलाई पनि त्यसरी गर्न सकिन्छ. GOG of 4. GOG of 4. This means what do you understand? First of all, you put x equal to 4 in the function g. You go into the function g and wherever there is x in place of x you can put 4. X को ठाउँमा के पुट गर्ने? 4 पुट गर्ने. So g is same. First so g is same. Operator this no need to write. Now g means where is the function g? 3x - 5. 3 into x. In place of x what to put? 4. You can put here 4 and minus 5 is there, minus 5. आखिर त्यही त हो. 3x - 5 मा x को ठाउँमा 4 राखेको त्यही त हो. g मा गएर x को ठाउँमा 4 राखेको त हो. त्यो x को ठाउँमा फंक्सन g मा जाने, जहाँ x छ त्यो x को ठाउँमा 4 पुट गर्ने, केही गाह्रो छैन. ल यो हाम्रो काम सिक्यो है त. अब यसपछि यहाँ के हुन्छ? g 3 4 12, 12 minus 5 गर्दा कति हुन्छ? 7 plus 7. Again you have to go in the function g. Again you have to put x equal to 7 in the function g. You substitute x equal to 7 in the function g. So function g where it is? यही त राख्नु पर्छ. 3x - 5. 3 into x equal to you can put 7. 7 minus 5. This 3 7 is 21. 21 minus 5, that is 16. Like this we can find the composite function. Wherever there is given algebraic function, algebraic function दिएको छ, हामीले त्यसलाई चाहिँ composite function निकाल्न पर्ने छ भने यसरी गर्न निकाल्न सक्छौं. In this way very easily we can do. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Everybody, other students, only Dipsan Pokhrel is understanding,
Yes,
other
sir.
nobody is understanding.
Yes, sir.
Anybody have doubt in this question? कसैलाई केही confusion छ यसमा?
No, sir.
No, sir. No, sir.
Once more one question I do it here. म एउटा question अझै फेरि गर्छु. म self बनाउँछु है. I make here one self made question. म एउटा बनाउँछु ल हेर्नु त. ल f o g of -2 यस्तो आयो एउटा question. ल मानिहाल्नु एउटा question यो. यसको मतलब के हो? फंक्सन g मा जाने अनि x को ठाउँमा -2 रिप्लेस गर्ने त हो. यो अगाडिको फंक्सन त यो यस्तै नझुकिने है. फंक्सन यो भ्यालु रिप्लेस गरिसकेपछि त फंक्सन हट्छ हैन. यो फंक्सन यो हामीले जस्ताको तस्तै राख्छौं. यो अपरेटर यहाँ लेखिरहन ओ लेख्न योले यस्तो पनि आउँछ के एक्जाममा. कहिले काहीँ ओ नलेखेर यस्तो पनि त आउँछ. एउटै त कुरा हो यो. यो g -2 आयो भने ए यहाँ ओ दिएन भने कन्फ्युज हुनै पर्दैन हैन. नर्मल कुरा हो यो. नलेख्दा पनि हुन्छ. यहाँ f o g -2. Now this function f keep same. Now you go into the function g. Function g कहाँ छ एरियालाई माथि छ 3x - 5. So in 3x - 5 in place of x you have to substitute -2. Substitute there 3x 3 same multiply x value we can substitute here -2 substitute गरिदिने -5 is there -5 keep same. This is equal to function f same 3 into -2 -6 -6 -5 that is function f same f of -11. Again finally you put x equal to -11 in the function f. You go to the function f and you substitute x equal to -11. Function of where it is you check upside. Function of is 2x plus 1. 2x plus 1 is there 2 into x of place what to put x of -11. -11 we can put and a plus 1 is there plus 1. It's like 2 into 11 -22 plus 1, that is your answer is minus 21. In this way, you can find the composite function. If we have given the algebraic function there, like this, we can find it. Did you understand? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Only this much for today, everybody. You can complete this question number 2. Question number 2, you can complete all. And 3 number also, if you try, then you can do it. Try it, complete the exercise this, and remaining things we'll do tomorrow. If you get some confusion while solving the problem, then you can tell me. You can ask me for the solution at any time. Thank you very much, everybody. Only this much for today. Thanks to all for your active participation. Bye bye. See you tomorrow.